So let me give you a demo of this digital product marketplace. So where you can buy as well as sell digital products. So we have this nicely designed landing page. You can see we have this hero section, sign in button. So we have some nice hover effect and some hero image. So if I scroll down, you can see there are 500 plus products. You can display 10K customer, whatever customers we have, total creator. So let me refresh the page. So as once we refresh the page, if I scroll down, you can see we have nice loading effect, skeleton loading effect. So once you load this page first time, so we have different categories. So ebooks, templates, source code, UI kits, and design asset. So you can list your product in any of these particular categories. Then we have this nice section with latest products. So here we can see the top latest products which are displayed. Six latest products are displayed. And if you want to view all the products, you can click on the view all link. So we have nice hover effect here. So we can click on the view details link to go to the details page. So before that, let's scroll down and we have this nice footer. So let me click on the view details page. So for this particular product, so if I click on view details, you can see we have nice skeleton loading here also. And we have three images for that particular product, product information, the pricing, and we also have option to view all other products of that particular user. So who is selling this particular product. If I scroll down, you can see we have nicely designed this product information page. So we have a rich text editor, so anyone can add a nicely designed information of that particular product. We also have review section. So if I see, you can see here we have ratings and reviews. So whenever someone purchases the product, he can add a review. So right now I'm not logged in, so I cannot add review. But once I purchase this product and once I log in, I will be able to add this review. So here we can sort by oldest first. So you can see depending on the date, it will sort by the oldest first and then the latest later one. So we also have option to sort by the rating, 5 star, 3 star, whatever the rating we have, we can sort that. So let's go back to the browse page now. So browse page is where we can see all the products. So whatever listed products are there, you can see all those products. So we have different categories here. So as we have seen previously, we can filter it by books, by templates, source code, UI kits, and design agent. So let me click on all products, and in that also we can filter it by depending on the range. So whatever price, $25 to 50, you can see we have only these products, and we can see that filter applied here. We can also sort by high to low. So the highest price will be displayed first. So that is the first product, and then we have lowest price. We can also filter by $100 plus. So there is no product of $100 plus. So if I select 50, you can see there are these the products which are available. So I can remove any of the filter from here. You can also search for any of the product. Let's say I search for kit, you can see you get two products matching with that particular criteria as well as including these particular filter. So I can filter it by 25 to 50. There is no that particular product, but we have this price 64 and 59, so which is within that particular range. So you can filter as the products. You can also see the more information about that product. So let's click on this view details and we can see information of that particular product. So if someone want to buy here, we don't have any review. So nobody has purchased this product. So if I want, I can purchase that. So before purchasing, you first need to log in. So let me click on the login and we can see we have this nicely designed login page. So we have option to log in with Google or you can log in with GitHub. So let me click on continue with Google. So you can see now I am logged in as this particular user. So once I am logged in, I can see this drop down option. So I can click on the profile menu and to see the profile information of that particular logged in user. So I have three purchases made. So I have purchased three products as well as you can see all the products of mine. So whatever products I have created, you can see in the my products tab. So we also have my purchases where you can see all the purchases that you have made. Whatever product you have purchased, you can download that products. Whatever zip is there or PDF is there. Once you purchase, you will be able to download that. We also have create a dashboard where you can add your product, add, edit. So we have different options here. So whenever you add or edit a product, admin need to approve that product because nobody, otherwise anybody can add any of the products. So which is not good. So whenever you add a product, admin will get a notification. He need to approve that product and then only it will get displayed on the product page. So let me go to the creator dashboard and let me add one product. So I will click on add product. You can see we have this nicely designed add product page. We can enter title, category, description, pricing detail, and images also. So whatever images you want to display. So let me open this browse in another tab and I can go to any of the products. So let me go to this particular product, and whatever images you are able to see, these images I can upload while adding the product. I can also upload the actual product file. So once user purchases this, what is the PDF for this file he will have access to, that you can add it in the product file. So let's add one product. So I have this particular product, React testing ebook, so that I want to list on that particular site. So let me click on that particular product, and here I can copy the title of that product. So let me enter that title. This is the ebook, so I'll select category of ebook, and description you can see this is rich text editor. So whatever styling you want to apply, you can apply. So let me copy this as it is. And if you want to highlight something, make it bold, you can do that. If I want to add this, make this italic, you can do that. You can also add links and code snippet if you want to add. Now the pricing of that particular product is $10. So let me add that also. Rating I will give 5, and the media asset. So let's upload product images. So let's select this image. I already have one image, so that is fine. But if you have multiple images, you can add multiple images also. So you can see the image is getting added and it's displayed. Now let me add the actual image or actual product that will be downloaded once user purchases that particular product. You can see the product is uploaded, the file is uploaded, and now I can submit it for approval. So everything looks good to me. So what I can do is I can click on submit for approval. You can see it's getting submitted. You can see product is submitted for approval, and now it is in pending state. So now it's admin's turn to approve that particular product. So let me log in as admin user. So I will continue with GitHub. You can see now I am logged in as admin. So I have separate section now, admin panel. So if I go to this particular user, you will not see that admin panel. So only actual admin will have access to the admin page. So let me click on admin panel. And here you can see the notification count also. So once admin logs in, he can see the notification count. So he will get to know that he need to approve some product. Let me click on this, and here we can see now we have option to approve that particular product. Before approval, I can see the actual product by clicking on the view product. It will open a new tab where I can see the actual product once it gets displayed. How it will display, that is displayed here. So you can see we have nicely designed page right now, no reviews, and we can see the information of that particular product. So this looks fine to me. So I can approve that. You can also reject that. So if I click on reject, you can also add a reason for rejection. So the person who has created that product will get to know why it is rejected. If he want to add some more information, he is missing some information, you can mention that. So that user will be able to know that he need to make some changes. So right now I don't want to reject. So what I will do is I will approve this particular product. So if I click on approve, we'll again get a confirmation, because admin by mistake might click on these buttons and it should not get approved. So whenever you click on approve, you should be asked first whether do you really want to approve or not. So I can click on approve. Now you can see it's getting approved. You can see product approved, and now it's removed from the pending approval. Now if I go back to the original user, you can see now the product is approved. So if I go to the browse page, here I can see the testing product. So you can see the immediately it's displayed in the first product. So I can also search for testing and I can see that particular product. So anyone can now purchase this product. So let me log in as another user so I can purchase this particular product. So I'll click on continue with Google. So now I am logged in as another user. You can see this is different users and it has different purchases. So if I go to my purchases right now, it does not have that testing product. So let me go back to browse and I can go to this particular testing product and I can purchase it. Now I can see the checkout page. So here I can see the actual price. So let me convert it into USD and I can check out this, or I can purchase this particular product. So let me enter details. I can click on continue to payment. And here I can enter the card. So let me click on the pay now. You can see payment is succeeded, and you can see nice information is this that payment is successful. You can see your purchase is successful. Now you can see I am redirected to purchases page, and I can see this particular product displayed in my purchases. So if I go to browse, and here I can again go to that particular product. So I can see that this product I have already purchased. So you can see you have purchased this product, and I can download it either from here or from this my purchases page. So I can click on this link and it will start downloading that particular PDF. You can see the PDF is downloaded. Let me open that in new tab. You can see the actual original product which we have uploaded is now available. So this is how you can, anytime you whatever purchases you have made, you can download it either from here or you can get it from here also. So from here also I can click on this and it will download that particular product. You can see it's downloaded. So this is how you can purchase any of the product and it will be displayed in your my purchases. Now, once I have purchased this particular product, I can give review for that product once I have gone through that particular PDF or document, whatever I have. I can go to the details page of that particular product, and here at the bottom, I can write a review for this. So let's click on write review. I can give any rating in the decimal also 3.54 or 4.55. So let's say I want to give 5-star rating. I can write review. This is the best testing ebook I have ever read and loved it. So let's submit this review. So in the 5-star review, and we have submitted this particular review. Now you can see we have one review available and that is getting displayed. So you can again write review if you want to add, or someone else logins, he will be able to see that review. So let me log in with another user. So now I have logged in as a different user. So let me go to the browse page, and here I can go to the actual this particular product. And if I scroll down, you can see the review is there. So anyone can see this particular review once it's added. So that's how you can add. So, but here you can see there is no write review button, even though I'm logged in, because I'm not the user who has purchased this product. So only those users who have purchased the product will be able to write this review, and he can always sort it by the rating as well as the oldest, first, highest rated. All these sorting he can use. So that's all demo of this particular digital product marketplace, which is built using Next.js and Tailwind CSS with SEO functionality. So you can buy products, sell products, and you can have list of all the products in different categories. So that's it for this video.